How to turn on off Hibernate in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn Hibernate mode on and off in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the start icon on your taskbar and search for command prompt. Now don't open it right away, instead go to the right side and click on run as administrator, and this step is very important. And here once command prompt opens, simply type the following command to turn off Hibernate mode. Simply enter powercfg.exe /hibernate off and simply press enter, and that's it. And after that, your Hibernate mode is now turned off. And now to turn Hibernate mode back on, simply enter this command. Enter powercfg.exe /hibernate on and hit enter again, and after that the Hibernate mode will be re-enabled. Just remember, you need to run command prompt as administrator to make these changes. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.